Hello students, how are you? Today I will explain the exponent exercise 2.2 and law of exponent also. Earlier I have explained it, but from this exercise 2.2 also related. So once again I want to explain. First of all, you know the law of exponent P upon Q to whole power minus 1. Clear? So that you can write 1 upon P upon Q to whole power plus 1. Here minus 1 and just it will be here plus 1. And again you will do reciprocal. So then it will be Q upon P to whole power 1. Clear? And that is the positive. In this way you can solve the sum on that way questions. Now second rule, here the base a and to power m into base a to power n. So if the base are same, so then the power will add due to multiplication. So here base will write one time and the power will just add m plus n. Clear? Now in third rule, base a to power m divided by base a to power n. Here the given divided sign. In that case, you will write the base one time and the power will subtract. Okay? So then it will be a to power m minus n. Clear? Now in fourth rules, base a to power m ka whole power n. Understood? Base a to power m का whole power n is equal to base a to power m into n. There will be the multiplying. Clear? And now in fifth rule, base a to power m into base b to power m. If the base are different, here a and there b, both are different, but the exponent are same due to multiplication. So in that case, you will write the base into base, यानी base into base a into b to whole power m, यानी जो पावर है एक्सपोनेंट है ये कॉमन हो जाएगा और बेस इंटू बेस मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे इस प्रकार से a into b to whole power m. Clear students? On that base you will solve the sum of exercise 2.2. Okay? Now the first question is express with positive exponent. First given, express with positive exponent. Positive exponent. Clear students? First given here 4 upon 7 to whole power minus 2. Clear? How you will make? So according to law, I have explained. First of all, you write 1 upon, and these are all right downside. Downside there 4 upon 7. Then the power minus 2 will be here plus 2. Clear? And again you will do reciprocal of this. Then it will be 7 upon 4 to whole power 2. That will be positive exponent. Clear students? In this way you can do the third, fourth and fifth part also. Second, third, fourth also you can do. Now the next question 2. Express as a rational number. express as a rational number okay. First of all, given -2 upon 3 to whole power 2 into -2 upon 3 to whole power -1. Then we have to solve. Yes, students. Then first of all, rational numbers that we have to, here the given same base, here the base has given same -2 upon 3 -2 upon 3. So in this way, if the base are same, then the power will add due to multiplication. ये पावर ऐड हो जाते हैं अगर ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन है तो, यानी मल्टीप्लाई है तो सो वी विल राइट द बेस वन टाइम, बेस दोनों सेम है तो वन टाइम लिखेंगे -2 upon 3 टू पावर, अब इसमें पावर लिखेंगे 2 और प्लस ब्रैकेट में -1 क्योंकि मल्टीप्लाई है इसलिए, तो हियर यू विल राइट 2 into पावर -1, सॉरी 2 plus bracket में -1. Finally you will solve, then you will get -2 upon 3 to power 2 -1 is equal to 2 to power -2 upon 3 to power +1. Understood, students? And then finally that will be answer -2 upon 3. Power 1 है, no need to write here, that will be the answer. It is in the form of rational number. P upon Q is the form of rational number, so -2 is at the place of P and 3 is at the place of Q. In this way it is the rational number. Clear? Now students, the next question has given fourth not fifth, third also you know. Second का third part has given 4 to power 0 into 6 to power -2. Dear students, so in earlier you have studied, if the any base has given 0 power, अगर किसी भी बेस पर पावर 0 लिखा गया है तो उसकी वैल्यू 1 हो जाती है, 1. ओके, so then here you write 1 because here the 4 to power 0 1 into 6 to power -2, so that you will write in positive form, so then it will be 1 upon 6 to power, अब now it will be +2. अब यहाँ -2 था, जैसे ही हम इस फॉर्म में लिखेंगे तो +2 हो गया, and again we will solve this 1 into 1 1 and 6 का square 36, then that is also in the form of rational number P upon Q. Clear students? Now the question number 6th you see, its 6th part. 7/2 to power -2 into 7/5, 7/2, 7/5 given, 7/5 that to power 3 का whole power -2. Clear students? How that question you will solve? So first of all, you will solve inside the big bracket. पहले हम सॉल्व करेंगे बिग ब्रैकेट के अंदर। तो पहले here has given, so then inside the big bracket, first of all you will observe the base 7/5 to power 2 into base 7/5 to power +3. So first of all you are observing that base are same, so you will write the base one time 7/5 to power will be add due to multiplication. Here given multiplication, in this case the power will add, so then you will write -2 and +3 to whole power -2. Again you will solve, so then you will find base 7/5 to power -2 + 3 will be +1 and to power -2. Clear? Finally you know that the rule 7/5 into base will power will multiply 1 into -2 and finally will get 7/5 to power -2. Finally you get. Okay, now you have to make it positive because in the rational form, so you will write 1/7/5 to whole power +2, and then when you will do its reciprocal, then it will be 5/7 to power 2. Yes students, when you will solve, then you will get 5 square 25 and 7 square 49. Then that will be the answer. Any doubt students? Okay, now next question. Now the next question is given. Express each of the following as a power of rational number with the negative exponent. Question number 3 saying that express, shortcut I am writing, express in negative exponent. Yes friends, then that will be first given 25/64. Clear? First of all you will do the prime factor of 25, then you will get 25 into 5, and again prime factor of 64, 8 into 8, and then you will finally get 5 to power 2 and 8 to power 2, and again you will write 5/powers are same. If the powers are same, then you will write 5/8 to whole power +2, and now you have to convert into negative exponent. So to make it negative, you will write just 1/5/8 to power -2 now. Okay, जब ये प्लस रहेगा तो ये निगेटिव हो जाएगा रेसिप्रोकल करने पर, in this part, and if there has given negative then it will be positive, यानी just opposite sign of there. पावर के जो भी साइन होंगे उसके ठीक अपोजिट हो जाएंगे इस केस में, एंड देन इट्स रेसिप्रोकल इट विल बी 8/5 to power -2, that is negative exponent. That is the answer. Yes students, now the remaining question I will explain tomorrow. Okay, thanks.